Hey students, it's me, Mr. Fitz. Let's take a look at this cone question. A cone has a volume of 108 pi. So first off, when you see one of these 3D geometry questions, the first thing you need to do is like identify what the shape is. The cone has a volume of 108 pi. All right, that's important information. And a base diameter of 12. Okay, so these are all very important things. So what is the diameter? So the diameter is this line segment here that goes all the way across the circular base. So if the diameter is 12, right? So this whole thing is 12. What does the radius have to equal? The radius is going to be half of that, which is 6. So the radius would just be, you know, halfway across, which would be 6 and 6. Okay, so there we go. Now we can figure out our, oh, we have to figure out the height. Oh, that's tricky. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and draw in our height. So the height would be going like straight down to the center, at a right angle. So there's our height. We'll just call that h. And then what is the volume of a cone? So if you look at your formula sheet that we have, right? Look for cone, it should say the volume is 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, but they gave us the volume, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that formula. I'm just going to say 108 pi equals 1/3 pi r squared, which is 6. I'm going to just put that in parentheses. Whoop, not cubed. Times the height of h. All right, well, if I know that, so I'm just plugging in the volume, right? And plugging in the radius, and then I'm going to solve for h. So I have to do a little bit of algebra, right? So if we're thinking about algebra, we have to do reverse order of operations. So first thing is I'm going to simplify the right side of the equation. So what is that? So it's going to be 108 pi equals, well, what's 6 squared? That's 36, right? So I'm going to just rewrite this as 1/3. And since multiplication is commutative, I can multiply in any order. 1/3 of 36 times pi times the height. Well, the height. Okay. Well, what's 1/3 of 36? That's 12, right? So 108 pi equals 12 pi times the height. Well, then I just have to divide both. So, okay, this is where algebra comes in, right? It's a reverse order of operations. So, some of you might have learned like SADMEP or whatever. I mean, PEMDAS for order of operations. We do it in reverse. So we think about like subtraction or addition. There's nothing to subtract or add here. But we could divide both sides by 12 pi. So we're doing the reverse order of operations that we would normally do in arithmetic. Okay. So what is 108 pi divided by 12 pi? Well, the pi is just simplified to 1, but let's go ahead and plug that straight into our calculator. So let me go ahead and grab our calculator. And we get 108 pi, whoops, divided by 12 pi. That doesn't look right. Definitely not. Because 108 divided by 12 is not going to be like 89 something. And it should, yeah, that doesn't make any sense at all. You know what happened? All right, this is a little safety trick. So, safety tip here. So what is happening here in the calculator, it's looking at as saying 108 times pi divided by 12 times pi. So it's really just dividing pi and 12 and then multiplying by 108 and pi. So that's what's happening there. So it's messing up the order of operations. So I'm going to use my fraction tool, or you could use parentheses, right? Put parentheses around the 108 pi and around the 12 pi. But if I hit alpha y equals, just bring up the fraction tool. So it's going to be 108 pi over 12 pi. 9. That makes more sense. Okay, so there's my answer. The solution is 9. Where did these other answer choices come from? Well, I guarantee you this one is if you forgot about the 1/3. So if you forgot about the 1/3, that's where that one comes from. The 4, I think, is if you just plugged in 12 for the 6 squared, because 108 divided by 12 is, I believe, 4. No, that's 9. Oh, yeah, 108 divided, oh, if you just said, yeah, 12, 1/3 of 12. So 108 divided by 4 is 27. So that's where that comes from. I'm not sure where the 4 is coming from. But anyway, I hope this helps. Your solution is 9. Please let me know if you have any questions. So that's the height of this cone. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.